Let's explore acoustic levitation, a groundbreaking technology that uses sound waves to lift and manipulate objects without physical contact. This technology employs ultrasonic waves, creating pressure nodes that can counteract the force of gravity, effectively suspending small particles or liquids in midair. It's making waves in fields like material sciences and pharmaceuticals, offering potential for contactless manufacturing and precise drug formulation. Researchers are also exploring its applications in constructing tiny structures and transporting delicate materials without contamination. As acoustic levitation advances, it could redefine how we interact with materials, offering a glimpse into a world where sound waves control physical objects with unprecedented precision.